Now, access to the union buildings has been limited after an essential presidential staff member tested positive for COVID-19. Presidency spokesperson Khusela Diko joins us on the line for more on this story. Khusela, I'm hoping you can hear me. Just tell me exactly where the staff member was working at the union buildings and how many people are affected by this.
Good afternoon, Shahan, and thank you so much for having us on the show. The staff member who tested positive, as you indicated, is an essential services staff member. In order really to protect his privacy, I would like to indicate which department in the presidency that he works in. But I do want to say that the presidency adheres to workplace protocols. So he was picked up during a routine screening when he arrived for work at the union building and demonstrated an abnormally high temperature. The employee was then asked to present himself to our internal medical center, where the nursing sister then advised him to go for a test. So that test has been completed. The results have been confirmed by the NICD. We then initiated a process of contact tracing in line with the protocols that the Department of Health has established. Those particular contacts, employee contacts that he had in the union buildings, have also been identified. They have been requested to self-isolate for a period of 14 days and are also undergoing testing. I do want to make the point, Shahan, that neither the president nor the deputy president have been working from the union building since the start of the lockdown. So neither the president nor the deputy president have been in contact with the staff member concerned or any of the contacts of the employee concerned.
And what about any ministers, Khusela? Have they been in contact with this person or anyone else he's been in contact with?
No, Cabinet and the private offices has been working virtually since the lockdown began. So access to the union buildings has really been restricted to very essential staff members as in line with the guidelines that had been issued. So a number of those staff members who were in contact with this employee that tested positive for the coronavirus are in self-isolation. I think it was contained because it was picked up quite quickly, but we are taking no chances, Shahan, and ensuring that now the union buildings must be disinfected, as well as a process of deep cleaning has commenced. We had already started this precautionary measure of deep cleaning the union buildings, but have now added, the proviso that none of the staff members will have access to the building until that process has been completed.
Yeah, and of course the question that I have, and of course you probably have as well, is where this person picked up or contracted COVID-19. That'll be part of your investigations, right?
I'm sure it will be part of the investigations that the Department of Health will undertake. As I indicated, we triggered the COVID-19 health and safety protocols for the presidency, but we leave the handling, the medical handling of the matter to the Department of Health and the NICD, just to say that we are obviously providing medical and psychosocial support to the employee as well as their family. And we will obviously await results coming from other employees, whether anybody else has tested positive for the coronavirus, and obviously how to handle that moving forward.
All right, we can leave it right there. Thanks for that. Appreciate it. Presidency spokesperson Khusela Diko.